Why is it that mozzarella is the only cheese that we roll in breading and deep fry? For something that's so popular, you'd think that chefs all over the world would be frying up every type of cheese imaginable, but like they don't. And I don't really know why. Because guess what? Did you know that you can fry like any type of cheese? Okay, I mean, maybe your hard cheeses like Parmesan would be a little bit weird, but literally any cheese can be breaded and fried like a mozzarella stick, and it comes out really delicious. Like, how could it not be, you know? It's fried cheese. So I took some Manchego cheese and I fried it, and yeah, shocker, it's amazing. So Manchego isn't exactly the meltiest, gooeyest cheese, but oh man, it works. I make a simple lavender-infused honey to drizzle over the top, and oh my god, this is honestly one of the tastiest little bites that you can make. It's not always the most convenient thing to deep fry at home, but it's really not too bad when you're just doing something small like these little fried cheese nuggets. So the next time you invite some friends over, give this one a try. I promise it's gonna be worth it. Once you pop one of these crispy, gooey little bites of creamy, mellow Manchego cheese with that sweet lavender honey, you won't regret it.